Hi, everyone. Happy Mother's Day.
Happy Mother's Day.
So we hope you're all having a great day, and we know not everybody is. This isn't a happy day for everybody. I actually woke up with a little bit of a burden on my heart. I have several people, friends, dear friends, and my aunt who have lost children. And so I realized early this morning that this is a day that's hard for some people. And we wanted to let you guys know that we are thinking about you, and we hope that, this is a day that you have people around you that you care about. One of the things that really impressed me was that my dear friend who lost her daughter has spent her life creating a ministry to help other people who have lost their kids. And it just has really, it's never going to fill the void, but it definitely has helped her. And I thought that was really amazing. So I'd love to hear what some of you do. And I know you deal with a lot of this as well.
Well, one of the most important things you can do is engage in brain healthy habits and get connected to other people, whether it's at church, whether it's in your community, it's at work, it's with the family you have. Being connected is just one of the most important things, even when you don't feel like it.
Right.
So,
and maybe I'm just in a weird mood because it was really heavy on me because I'm still laying low from from surgery, but I just really had that heavy on my heart today. So
yeah. Although the thing I've been thinking about today is, I've been nursing Tana for the last, almost 3 weeks, and I don't have a hat. So I'm looking for
Honey,
a
nurses don't wear hats
hat.
anymore. Nurses do not wear. Someone set him straight, please. Nurses do not wear hats anymore. But you make a.
But that was a long time ago. I was in medical school when nurses wore hats.
But I will say he makes a really good nurse. He's been amazing. So, yeah. So, anyways, we just
Happy Mother's Day
we want
to
to
all
say
of you.
Happy Mother's Day.
And you be grateful for the mothers in your life. There's so many.
Well, and just the mentors. So we love you all and have a blessed day. Bye-bye.